Like, fuck me sideways, motherfucking bitch. What is down, brother? Well, fuck me sideways. I rode off my car, so I don't got no wheels to drive around. So, yeah, I'm pretty fucking pissed off. A fucking buddy old boy, not me. I was in the process of making a little left turn at a four-way, and fucking buddy old pal was like, well, I see a car, might as well drive forward. And I was like, oh shit, this car's coming at me, so I did a little oop an angle. And I fucking just finished hailing out. And fucking lost fucking traction, and there was a fucking little telephone pole, and I fucking scared, clip that fucking motherfucker. And I was like, holy fuck, what did I just do? Like, holy fucking. And then buddy old pal was like, oh shit, just keeps on driving, nothing happens, and get out of my car, and my friend ends like, yeah, see you later, buddy. So, yeah, on a serious note, I don't have a vehicle, so, yeah, videos are gonna be interesting to make now until I get my moolah up. You know, like, get your funny up, not your money up. Well, get your money up, not your funny up, as I should say, because I need some moolah to get a new vehicle. But, yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Me and the boys, got up to some fun. Your dreams are the spark that sets the fire of possibility ablaze. They are the whispers in your heart, urging to explore the unknown and push beyond the boundaries of what's safe. Chasing your dreams isn't always easy. There'll be doubters, naysayers, fears, and setbacks. The only way truly to fail is that the fear will hold you back. So take a deep breath, muster up the courage, and take the first step, then the next step, and the next step. With every step, the path ahead will become clear, and the doubts will fade away. Remember, your dreams are worth the risk. They are the essence of who you are, and the world needs more of what only you can offer. Don't let the fear hold you back. Chase your dreams with all your heart, and watch the universe conspires to help you achieve greatness. So how's it going, YouTube? Today we got some smelling salts. We got some homeboys doing some smelling sauce. Ooh! Oh, you fuck boys! I'm ready to fucking pump some iron. You okay, man?
The third one didn't work.
Really clears out the whole system, eh?
Yeah.
Good for the soul. Dude, I'm fucking with the haircut.
Nice, man. This is what the kids do these days.
No, yeah, and it like really makes your like muscles like way fucking like buffer.
Yep.
Like,
This is the new style, man. I'm telling you.
get the camera a little flex. Show him the pump.
Well, the pump's almost gone now, so.
Holy smokes. We have fucking like Ronnie Coleman right, dude.
Dude, bug. Nice, dude.
I need that.
Nice.
Nice.
What are we looking for?
Yep. Yep.
Just up.
Yep. Yep.
Dude, that was so sick, man.
Yeah.
Just ass in the air.
Well, how else am I supposed to get like fucked by the gym bros?
I guess so. Oh, what are we doing there?
Your mullet check.
Yeah. That's the fucking Joe Dirt special.
Give us a little head shake. Fuck, that just flow and turn around. Let's see the flow. Some nice salad he got there. A nice little patch back here. Just awesome.
You want some?
Oh yeah. We got the new KKK members like joining the Chilliwack League.
We're the CCCs. Chilliwack, Chilliwack, Chilliwack.
So funny.
That was probably so sick.
Wait, what are the CCCs?
Yeah.
Oh. Don't, man. What is up, YouTube? It's Monster112289 here. Today I got the orange dreamsicle, new flavor in Canada. It's the reserve of the monster. So let's crack this bad boy open and give it a little sip. That crack of the monster really gets me going, really gets me tingling. Holy smokes, that's actually bussin', as the kids would say. It actually tastes like a melted orange cream skull. It's fucking. Let's take a couple more sips so I can really get the palate flowing. Definitely orange flavored. It's crazy. With a name like Orange Dreamsicle, I wouldn't think it's gonna be like orange flavored, but the more you know. Fuck, I'm actually fucking like autistic or something. Okay, brothers?
I'm just a gape.
I'm gonna go and gape a little bit. Ooh, what is up, YouTube? This is Monster Lover 2289. Today I got the orange dreamsicle flavored monster. I already cracked this bad boy open, so let's take a sip. Well, brothers, that's orange flavored for ya. And it is busting, as the kids would say. It's filming. Nice, Dave.
What was the strike, brother?
Okay, alright. I can do it. I can do it. No, I can do it.
Hi.
Get the ball!
Well, just got a quick session in at the gym after work. Just doing a whole pizza to myself right now, cause gangs. I did buys today, and tries, and chicken thighs, because we don't mess with leg day over here. Okay, I just got a quick pump in at the gym. I did buys and tries, because So, just got finished at the gym, got a quick pump in. I did buys, tries, and chicken thighs, because no leg day around here. But, yeah, that's all I have to say is buys, tries, and chicken thighs. And, yeah, training for the Tough Mudder is going good. Just gonna destroy this whole pizza and, probably hit the hay. I got, a new job and I got a bunch of training to do tomorrow, so yeah, I'm gonna get some any night's sleep, catch them Z's for the games. And if you enjoyed this video, got to say the old like, subscribe, comment. And yeah, it's been Damien, schoyen, and I'm out, brother. Have a good day. It is Tuesday. Caw.